Alright, so let's have a look at question number 7. It is saying that a sum of money amounts to rupees 4,840 in 2 years and to rupees 5,324 in 3 years at compound interest compounded annually. So again, you can see that there's one particular amount which is getting generated at 2 years and one particular amount which is getting generated in 3 years. So we have two different amounts over here. So that makes it our type 3. We have to find out the rate of interest per annum. So this is the question that you are actually facing now. So you can clearly write that first amount is A1. You can write it as rupees 4,840. Similarly, the second amount you can write it as A2 and it being 5,324. Right? So this is the two things that you have calculated. Now we don't know that for what money, because it is given to you that a sum of money. So you don't know the principal value. So let's assume that as P. So now principal value in 2 years is becoming 4,840. That is clear from the first statement of the question, right? And now if it gets to the third year as well, so that basically 1 year from now on, that is 1 year from 4,840, this becomes 5,324. This is the process that you know now. Compound interest is what we are calculating, right? This is the amount value, right? 4,840. So whatever interest that was generated in these 2 years got added to this principal value, right? So P plus I from over here gives you 4,840, and now for the next year the rate of interest, some rate of interest which we don't know it yet, would be applicable on this particular entire sum, and that is going to give you a return of 5,324, which would involve both principal value and the interest value, right? So this is the scenario that we have in front of us. Now what you will do is you will subtract 4,840 from this value 53824. So 5324 basically is the principal plus interest value from over here, and in this particular case your principal value becomes 4,840, right? Because all the interest which were generated earlier have already been added to it, and now this is the sole sum that is actually on which is the rate of interest is being charged. So 5324 minus 4840 is going to give you rupees 484, right? So 484 is the interest generated on 4,840 in 1 year, right? And that gives you the final amount as 5,324. So now this interest value, this 484, is actually what percentage of your principal value. Principal value in this case became 4,840, right? Which we have already discussed. So this is the scenario that we have in front of us. So in order to calculate this question mark, you can write that as 484 by 4840 into 100, right? You already know that x percentage of y is actually written as x by 100 into y, right? And this particular entire thing is given to you as 484. So if you try to solve it for x, that is the percentage value, you're going to get your answer as 10 from here, and this 0 cancels this, and the final answer gives you 10%. So 10% is the solution or the answer to this question.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.